Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike the Muppet Modeler here, and before we get going, as always, I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers, new and existing, and I'd like to also say thank you very much for all the kind comments from the last build, a bit of the build, and even some older stuff. So thank you very much for watching. Still full of cold. I did a video last Friday, tried to upload it, wouldn't have it. I thought my laptop was broken or the SD card port was broken, but it wasn't. It was the actual SD card itself. So had to get a new one, which I couldn't do till Monday. Tuesday, too cold, couldn't get out in the shed. So this is just going to be a short one today, because I've got to do the school run in about half an hour. So yeah, we have the engine as it stands at the moment. Hopefully you can see that. So that's how it is at the set at this moment in time. There's only a couple of steps left, I believe. Yeah, it's only these 4 parts. Obviously I won't be putting the top part on because that's a totally different colour to the rest of the engine anyway. So it'll be just basically trying to get these bits done and fitted before I have to do the school run, if I can manage it. If not, what I'll do is I'll pause the video, and then when I do finish it, I'll upload it then. Hopefully it won't mist up too much. Let's try and zoom in a little bit. So that you can see. Right, let's do the cues. Cue 44. I would like to say, guys, thank you very much to give a shout out to Rob at Rims Models. Thank you very much for your kind comments, and also that Mofos, if I've said that properly. George, thank you very much also for your kind comments. Steve Jones, Phil Jones as well. It's all very, very much appreciated. Thank you very much. Q48. I must say that it is amazing, really, the support that you get from people doing this, because there are so many people with YouTube channels and whatever doing modelling, model kits, and it's amazing the amount of help or the amount of really nice comments and support you get for your channel. It's amazing. There's no animosity at all. Everyone's there if you need them. Everyone helps nice and friendly, nice help, support. It's excellent. Try and keep my arm out of the way. So frustrating when I can't get in the shed to do anything. It really does wind me up, because I do love building kits. I love kit building. I know my other half doesn't understand my joy or passion, if you like, but she has her own thing that she does. Now, you have to try and figure out sometimes. There we go. Let's go. There we go. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I made a little, cut some bits out of polystyrene just to make a little holder, so that hopefully I don't knock it over at all again, which I did once upon a time. Oh dear, that's got needs some serious flash removal out of there. That goes on there. Go on there like so. There we go. Wish this darn cold would do one. I really do. It's beginning to really wind me up now. And that's that bit. And this one goes on there. A little notch, so it'll only go on one way round. There we go. Let me turn the engine upside down. And this bit, and then goes in there. Can't be right. Can't be right then. that piece goes on that end. On that end, and then that will go on there like that. Don't know if that's an oil filter or something like that. Got 2 holes there. I think that goes in there like that. There you go. Put a little glue in there. And then drop that into there. Go. A little drop of glue there. Super de duper. Well, I've got about 20 minutes, so. Right, but I'm not going to rush it, definitely not. I would much rather do another video another day than rush things and ruin it. It's just not worth it. Q3. Q49. Q90. Q73. Q52. Just cut that bit off. I hope that was right. A little bit of flash sticking up from ejector pins on the insides of some of these. Nothing too bad though, just cut them out. Obviously it's on the inside, you're not going to see it anyway. and it goes that way round. There. That way, I think. Excuse me. Tiny little drop, and that goes there, there, there's about right, I think. Another one there, and that goes that way. And we got this one goes there. Like that. And that then has to go. I think that has to come round a bit more, like that. And then that goes into there, and that one goes in down there. And maybe these go on there like that. Yep. I think it does. It's going to be a bit of a little bit of a pain to try and get that in, I think. front one in first, maybe. I'm also trying not to break anything else off. Okay. That's that in. That's not even right, is it? Because that has to go in there, like so. It goes there like that. That's better. There. And that goes in there. Oh yes, what a lovely fit when you get it right. Well, it will be a lovely fit when I do get it right, put it that way. There we go. Magic. Super duper. From there to the end of there. Let's see. 14 and 15. Might just about have time for this. I don't know. This is 14. So just cut off one at a time, just in case I don't have time. Bit of scrapage. Same underneath. No! I was lucky. Landed on my leg. Right, so 14 is this side. It basically goes under there. So what I'll do is I'll just attach it like that, basically, and let it set up and dry like that, just the one end. If I can get it in the right place. Might be better to do it upside down, I suppose, if I can. There you go. And I'll do exactly the same with number 15, which is the other side. A bit of scrapage. Some glue on there. Try and, sorry if my hand's in the way, guys. Or should I say, sorry my hand's in the way, guys. There we go. Right, I'm going to leave it there for now, guys. Obviously you've got to let that glue set up now before I can join it to the other end. So we'll leave it there, and then once it's done, obviously it's going to be all sprayed up and painted up, exhausts rusted up if you like, and then we can get it put in the back end of the tank. And I think that will be pretty much other than a bit more plumbing, and we've only got a couple of pages now, I think. Yeah, a couple of pages left of the lower hull. Oh no, then it's all the ammo and everything else. And then we can start on the upper hull. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages of lower hull stuff left to do. So we are getting there slowly but surely. So thank you very much, guys. I'll put the glue back away, put the lid back on, and thanks for watching. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button, and hit the notifications bell so that you won't miss a video in this series, or any other video come to that matter. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.